case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Delaware Supreme Court was left grappling with an intriguing question in a 1993 case known as Rales v. Blasband ex rel. Easco Hand Tools, Inc. The issue hinged on a matter of corporate governance. It asked whether a board of directors can effectively deliberate without improper influence when the board didn't approve the transaction being challenged in the first place. The lawsuit brought against Danaher Corporation had its roots in a rather audacious allegation. Specifically, the plaintiff claimed that over $61.9 million was channeled into the purchase of high-risk junk bonds from Drexel Burnham Lambert, Inc., a company on the brink of financial catastrophe. The crux of the case hinged upon whether the plaintiff could circumvent the board by arguing that their demand on the board is moot. At stake was a certified question to the Delaware Supreme Court that brought the resolution of the lower court into question. This query, centered on the dismissal of Blasband's amended complaint under FedR Civ P 23.1, meant that the Delaware Supreme Court was tasked with determining the substantive law that would then govern whether demand on the board should be excused. In a resounding decision, the court handed a victory to the plaintiff, affirming that demand was indeed excused, reflecting the exceptional circumstances of this case. In doing so, the court inserted a vital caveat to the doctrine of board impartiality, bearing the potential for bias in the very underbelly of corporate governance. The Rales brothers' actions laid bare the power, influence, and potential conflicts inherent in financial decision-making, marking this case as a pivotal moment in Delaware corporate jurisprudence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.